Ayan o, ang ganda ng aking holder. Oh, ayan, pupunta kami sa store ngayon. Wala lang. Try ko lang yung card na binigay ni Javi. Ayan. Para kahit wala siya, independent woman ako. What? So for today pa lang, outfit ko ay...
You can make it longer now.
Wow!
He clicked it?
No,
So, ayan, nandito na kami sa supermarket. Magluluto kami ng afritadang manok.
Wow!
First time ko magluluto ng afritadang manok dito sa Netherlands. So, hanapin natin yung mga ingredients. Pero I think mahanap naman natin yung ingredients. So, let's go! So, ito yung mga manok nila dito, guys. Naka-ano na siya. Naka-pre-pack na siya. This one na 5 euro.
but it's wings. Drumsticks.
So maybe this one then. Drumsticks.
And this
So ayan, this one. How much is it? And how much is it?
631.
Yeah. Let's do this. Yeah, malang manok dito. By the way guys, kalimutan kong i-video. Pumunta kami sa Bruna. Pwede mong kunin yung mga package na hindi na i-deliver sa bahay. Tapos ayan. Natuloy yung stroller ni Baby Pogi. So meron na tayong manok. Ang next na kukunin natin ay carrots naman. Carrots and potato. But we have potato at all. So carrots na lang. Bell pepper, love. Easy lang naman yung ingredients ng ano, diba? Easy lang naman yung ingredients ng afritado. How much is it, love? Per kilo or per piece?
€2 per kilo.
2 euro per kilo. So that's 100 plus
120.
per kilo. Ay, 120. So kailangan pa natin ni ano. Tapos vegetables. Tapos hanapin mo lang. Where's the carrots? Here.
Bon.
Bon.
So it's 84 cents for 2.
Yeah.
Which is
50 pesos for 2. Yep. Wow. Okay. Thank you daw. Ang dali lang mag-ano dito. Ang dali lang mag-kilo ng gulay. Sa SM ang hirap. Di ba la?
Yeah.
Kasi dito talagang picture lang yung hanapin o kaya pangalan.
But I think it's hard because they want their employees to do it because they don't trust the customer.
Yeah. So, yeah. Do we have onion, love?
I think we do. If we don't, I'll just run back to the store.
And garlic. For sure we don't have garlic.
Yeah.
So, let's go.
You need bell pepper?
Yeah. Ito,
It's
ano?
€1.
1 euro. For 60 for this. Okay.
I think we should also. It's per piece though. And put it in a bag also.
It's too big.
Free anymore, the plastic bags.
Yeah.
They don't have them anymore.
I think that it has price na, no? So it's
Yeah,
okay.
€1. Yeah.
Tomato sauce.
We don't have that for sure. Yeah, this way.
Here.
I think it's in the next one.
Tomato fish.
Oh yeah.
So, ito yung mga tomato sauce nila dito. Wala silang Del Monte.
How about that? Pure tomato.
Yeah. Yeah, poor tomato. So, ito na natin bibili. So, ayan, nakakuha na kami ng mga ingredients. Ang hirap sa tomato sauce kasi hindi kami sure. Kasi hindi rin sila gumagamit ng tomato sauce dito. Gumagamit sila yung spaghetti sauce. Kaya, we'll see kung anong kalalabasan ng lulutuin natin mamaya. So, ayun guys, pauwi na kami. And umuulan, as you can see. Kaya din ako nakapag-video earlier kasi nga may mga bitbit kami. So, see you later. So, ayun guys, alas 4 na dito and dinner dito is 6 kaya kailangan mag-start na ako magluto. So, ito na yung mga ingredients natin. Manok, patatas, carrots, bell pepper, bawang. Kukunin ko pa lang yung onion and tomato sauce. Ito yung itsura ng tomato sauce nila dito. So, bahala na ko na magiging lasa. Wala akong nabasa ko na merong hotdog pala fritada. Kasi wala naman silang ganong hotdog dito. Kaya di ko nalalagyan. So, start na ako magsaing.